Inilunsad nga ang Tatak Pinoy Strategy Program na may layong palakasin ang mahahalagang sektor ng industriya ng bansa. Sa ilalim din ng inisyatibong ito, prioridad ng gobyerno ang pagtaguyod sa gawang Pinoy. Ang detalye sa Agenda Report ni Pierre Pastor.
Ang Tatak Pinoy Program.
Siyam na priority sector ang natukoy na palalakasin bilang bahagi ng Tatak Pinoy Strategy ng gobyerno. Ito ang cement, steel and construction materials, chemicals and industrial inputs, food and agro-processing, defense manufacturing, information technology and business process management, pharmaceuticals, health and diagnostic products, electronics and electrical devices, semiconductors and automotives, at electrical vehicles and automotive components. Ang Tatak Pinoy Strategy ang kauna-unahang National Industrial Policy ng Pilipinas na isinabatas bilang RA 11981 at inaprubahan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa pamamagitan ng Memorandum Circular 104. Pamamahalaan ito ng Tatak Pinoy Council na binubuo ng DTI, Department of Finance, DILG, DOST, Department of Agriculture kasama ang 4 na mula sa private sector. Layo nitong palakasin ang ilang sektor para makapagbigay ng mga trabaho at iangat ang Filipino products and services na isasabay sa global standards.
This is really a game changer for the industries of the Philippines because then now we can really consider industries proudly Filipino. Para talagang that's also the goal of all those that are really starting from small and medium enterprises to really push to become a proudly Filipino brand.
Isa si Education Secretary Sonny Angara sa mga nagplano ng konsepto. Siya ang principal author ng Tatak Pinoy Act.
What really catapulted us to the summit, or at least in terms of completing the legislative process, was the certification by the President, the inclusion in the LEDAC, the Legislative Executive Development Advisory Council, as a priority bill. And that really shortened the process. Na-prioritize po ito sa dalawang kamara. Tapos naging batas na pirmahan in February 2024. It's probably of the many laws we've authored or been involved with, isa sa pinaka-proud ho tayo.
Isa sa mahalagang probisyon ng Tatak Pinoy Act ay ang pagpa-prioritize ng Philippine products and services or domestic bidders sa mga government procurements, so progress begins at home. Para sa Agenda, Pierre Pastor, Billionaire News Channel.